Hey, welcome to Crackhead Kitchen. You don't want to be doing this in your backyard in a black hoodie like this. Today I'm going to help you save some money and also learn how to make awesome fire starters for yourself out of this candle gel. Once you're heated up, once it's heated up, take some of your candle gel, throw it in there. Smokes a lot, guys. That's why I say do it outside. Not a good thing. Upset your wife. Put that in there on a lower heat. You don't want to run it too high. And just let it melt. It's going to take a while to melt down. So when you're doing it in the yard and your neighbors are looking out the window, hey Stankiewicz, just making fire starters, that's all, chill out. Okay, once your candle gel be melted, I'm going to take your cotton balls, put them here one by one, just dip them in, roll them real quickly so you get it completely covered, drip, put it in your pan to dry. Another one, gel, boom. And you just keep making them till you're out of gel. Makes quite a few. Just put them all in a Ziploc bag and take out as needed after they dry. Put them in your kit. Put them in your hiking bag and your EDC. Wherever needed. A little too hot. Alright, we're almost done here. And you can just let, after you're done, whatever you run out of first, if you run out of cotton balls or room or whatever, you can leave that stuff in there and it'll just harden and be in there for the next time. Yeah, I'm definitely running out of room here. But very easy to make. Cost effective for sure. And you get an amazing fire starter. Cotton balls and Vaseline. I've used all the ones you buy, and I just like these. The gel, once it's dry, it's just like rubbery. That pretty much did it. There you have it. Cheap, easy fire starters that burn amazingly. They fire right up on snow or whatever. You get them wet. I like to package them up in food saver bags. Quite a bit of fires to start there. We're gonna fire one up. There's water in there, guys. It's floating on the water. There you go. Burning off the water. All right, guys, there you have it. Thank you for joining me at Brook of Cherith. More videos soon to come.
Good boy.
Come on, baby, my baby boy. Oh, good boy. Say hi to the camera. What is my little Willie? A good boy. A good boy.